Assalamu alaikum friends. I thought to share my new story with you. The name of the story is How Peacocks Got Their Eyespots. Once there was the first peacock. He looked at his tail and said, "There are no eyespots on my tail. I have to go to my friend Giraffe." He went to the giraffe and said, "There are no eyespots." Giraffe said, "Oh no, I think you should go to the panther man like me." He ran and ran to the panther man. He ran and ran and reached to the panther man and said, Panther man, make eyespots on my tail." He looked at Peacock's tail and said, "What did you say? To make eyespots?" The peacock said, "Yes." The panther made eyespots and on Peacock's tail. The peacock said, "Have you done?" The panther man said, "Yes, I have done." The peacock looked at his tail reflection in the water of bucket and said, "Thank you very much," and went back happily. I hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you.